Well, everyone, iOS 17.6 has been out for just a few days now, and there are a few issues that some people have been experiencing on this particular version of software, and I wanted to kind of break down exactly what some of these issues are and maybe some fixes for them. The first things first though, these are all coming from Reddit. Whenever a new update comes out, a lot of people kind of showcase the problems, and it's very interesting because there's one issue that could be a big issue for some people. It looks like there's a problem with verifying this update before you even install it. So it looks like this happens every once in a while. Whenever you go through and basically update your iPhone or iOS version, you could see that iOS, any iOS version could have some issues with their servers. It's always happens whenever a new update comes out. What I would recommend doing is going through and actually updating your phone maybe on a different hour, maybe waiting a couple minutes then trying to update. But that happens with every single update. It looks like some people were also experiencing some network connection issues. So that was something that I saw some people post as well. So basically within some person's iPhone, in this case it was the iPhone 13, they went ahead and updated their iPhone to iOS 17.6. And they did notice that there were some network connection issues that they were having, which is very interesting. So that's basically the data connection, all that stuff, which is interesting because if you think about it, within, some other comments that I saw, some people were actually stating that their network connection became better and stronger, which is actually very interesting in and of itself. So that was actually a very crazy thing which I noticed. Now, on top of that, I think some people were saying that for the most part, some of their phones were heating up a little bit, but even then that could happen for a multitude of different reasons. It's not always just an update, but your phone will almost always go through and, basically go through and get a little bit buggy or a little bit overheated if you're running a beta anyways. So that in and of itself isn't the biggest deal in the world. It looks like some other people were experiencing some accessory not supported errors when they did update to iOS 17.6 as well. So, that would be a small issue that some people would experience. I think you could restart your phone and that might end up fixing it. There could also be some cases where sometimes you're going through updating your phone and the accessories that you're using weren't updated to that, version of software. So that's another thing some people could be experiencing as well. And on top of that, beyond just the verifying update problem, it looks like some people are experiencing issues with updating their applications from the App Store. Now, again, this could be for a lot of different reasons, but if you're having any of those types of issues, I'd recommend leaving a comment under this video, and then maybe I'll make another video in the future. Or if you want to, send those issues to Apple, maybe they can go and take a look at it from there and kind of fix those issues too. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.